Hi everybody, welcome and welcome back. It's me, Chameleon Girl, and Chameleon Jr. Today, Aaliyah. But anyway, I'm really proud of my daughter. She's just doing really good for herself.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for making it through school and just doing really good for yourself. But I wanted to show you, well, she's going to show you her empty apartment tour right quick, because she's better at filming and stuff. She used to be my film lady, but when she moved out, I slowed up on videos, so that's why. But anyway, we're going to tour her brand new apartment that she'll be moving into with her husband this week. Okay. Show them around.
All right, so this is when you come in. Then this is like just like a regular, the cloak closet or whatever. And that one it has carpet.
Really? It's nice and clean.
Yeah, it is, and it smells like it. Okay, then this is the living room. Now keep in mind, here's some backstory. Pretty much, we live next door, okay? Like in the next building, but we live in a 1-bedroom. But now we wanted a 2-bedroom, so this is a 2-bedroom. So here's the living room. Here's the balcony, which I'm gonna still sweep it up and stuff like that. We're gonna move in a couple days or 3 days or so. So either Wednesday or Thursday. So that's just the outside, and then this is beautiful Colorado, if you can see.
She always says I keep talking about Colorado, but it is beautiful. But look at her view. You guys probably don't understand because it does no justice, but anyway, she can sit on her little patio. That's nice. Little fireplace.
For real. And then this is like this is the dining room. And so this is just where the table goes. And then this is the kitchen. And this time, so in our other place or whatever, we have white appliances. Now we have the black ones, so we're fancy. And then I'm gonna contact paper pretty much all the cabinets and stuff, because I don't like them. This is like the pantry or whatever, fridge. And then over here, so before in our other apartment, our laundry room was in the kitchen. So it was like one of those where you walk in and then the dryer's here, the washer's here. Here, instead, it's together and it's in like right here.
Nice.
You close that. Then this is just the water heater. And then this is a linen closet right here. So this is like just like a regular, I guess, 2nd bedroom. And both of the bathrooms are en suites.
That's nice too.
I know, right? Both of them are en suites, but this bedroom's en suite is like also like mixed with the guest bathroom. So it's access from the outside, whereas like the master just has just the en suite, that's it. And then both closets are really big walk-in closets. Thank God, because I need my own. Sorry, but my husband needs to move. Okay, so this is the regular closet.
That is a nice size closet.
It's like pretty much the same, but yeah, this is just like the regular bedroom closet and stuff, and which is gonna be packed, I bet. And this is my favorite part about this room. This is why I'm debating on if we should have this room or the other room, because this bay window right here is doing something to me. I don't know why, but let me tell you why I feel like we should just stick with the master. Because in this bathroom, this is the bathroom that goes, like, it mixes with, you know, regular guest, plus just like an ensuite here. So this only has a shower, and I like the bathtub. And so, yeah, so that's why I kind of just want to stick with like the master or whatever. But it's regular though, like it has the toilet and everything. And I do like that there's a shower. I didn't realize that there was going to be a straight up shower.
Yeah.
Instead of, you know, bathtub / shower, you know?
Right.
And then this is the exit if you want to.
So then you could get in. Okay, yeah. I like that though, actually. I really do like that.
This is the master now. This is the master.
That's a big room too.
It is, and I like the master a lot, right? I just think that because we have a king size bed, and the king size bed is like the headboard is really big too. But I think it'll work out, even if we do put our bed and stuff in here. So I think it'll work out and stuff, and then just put the TV there like how we had, and then this.
But or you can also, I know some people say don't. Well, your grandmother was saying don't put Yeah, don't put it on the window, but I'm so different about that now. I'm like, you know, I've had mine on the window.
Then we'll just put the bed here, and then I'm sure it'll work out.
Yeah, it'll work fine.
Then this is the master closet, and it's pretty much the same. To me, it's the same. My mom says this one's bigger. You said?
At first, I initially thought the other one was bigger, but I think this one is more long, and that other one is maybe more of a square.
Yeah.
But they're the same size, if that makes sense.
Yeah, somehow, some way. Cool. And then this is the balcony. Not the balcony.
Yeah, but it has the access from your bedroom, which is so romantic. I'd be out there having my breakfast.
Right.
Some days, you know.
And so then you can walk out here, and then here we are pretty much again, because this is the living room, and then
Mosquito.
this is the living room and the kitchen all the way over there, and then
Yeah.
oh, and then this is the storage closet, but it's locked, so
Okay.
yeah.
Well, I think
So yeah, y'all.
bathroom. You didn't show the. Did we go in that bathroom?
No, we didn't.
Okay.
Okay, then last but not least, this is my fave because I did not expect this at all. And you know when you don't expect something and then it's there and you're like, whoa. Okay, so this is the bathroom. This is just the sink, toilet, and then look at the bathtub.
That's a little soaking tub.
Andrew's gonna be so excited to see this.
He's a bath person that time?
Yeah.
You know, your shower curtain set that you just left over at the house for some reason.
No, remember I told you it was an accident. I'll be over there, and I also
This
left
girl,
that
I
fabric
give her wash powder, fabric softener,
And I left the
boxes of stuff, and she just leaves it at the house.
No, I'll be forgetting. It's okay. I'm at my mom's often, so it's fine. I always get the stuff. It's not like I be gone for like a month and then can't get it or something.
I love it
It's
though.
fine.
And then let's do when you're exiting out. That's it.
Okay, yeah. And so then when you exit, then
Out the
you
house.
go right.
Yep. I like the floors too. They the same as what you got now, but they still.
Really? Mine is right now.
Are yours
I'm
lighter?
more gray. I mean more light gray.
Lighter gray?
Yeah.
Okay.
You think?
Maybe about the same. I don't know. So anyway, she's very excited, and I'm very proud of her. At first, when she moved out over a year ago, well, she wasn't married. She was still in college, and I said, "You're gonna finish college, even if you move out. You're gonna finish college because if you don't, then you're gonna be in hot water." Okay. And so anyway, because sometimes you get distracted when you move in with your person and all that, you know. And it was her senior year and stuff. But I'm just, guys, I'm so ever so proud of my daughter.
Maybe fine.
Oh, no, I am. I am so proud of my kid. And this neighborhood, and this is not to brag, but this is a very nice, it's like more on the end of exclusive neighborhood. So I'm very proud that she can afford to live in a decent place that ain't, you know,
Quiet.
Quiet and not that crime and stuff.
Yeah, for real.
But anyway, God bless. Enjoy the rest.
Walk right across the street to my actual place right now.
Well, let's show her apartment.
Oh, guys, come up.
I'm just okay, guys. God bless. Enjoy your day.